It replaces totally the EOS 1000 camera and offering new functionalities for older people, new for DSLR photography, really the entry-level DSLR users, and it's focusing on easy of use to be the first SLR of those people who are really coming into this world of photography. It is very easy to use it, featuring a 12 megapixel 14-bit image processing sensor, and with Digic 4 processor, it gives you an ISO range of 100 to 6400, 9-point focusing system, 2.7-inch LCD screen, feature guide, which is also functionality that the camera can give you some advices, some hints and tips about different functionalities. So it is really good for those people who doesn't know too much about photography. It also features Creative Auto and Basic Plus functionality. This is coming down from 60D, and also offers HD movie recording. So it is the first step for those people who are new in this area, and they can have really a friendly, good design, ergonomic design as their first EOS into the range. There are some new lenses released for these cameras. So basically, two new lenses we have as a kit lenses. This is the 1855 IS version. It gives you 4-stop image stabilizer for low light shooting, so this part of is improved. It is very compact, design, and it has the smaller brother, without the IS, non-IS version, which is also will be included in some of the kits coming.